What in the world is Japan doing and why is it hurting the US? I'm Jelfri and please follow me as I break down confusing money topics for you. Since 2016, borrowing money in Japan was cheap because they had negative rates. That means banks will pay you to borrow money, which sounds crazy. This made Japan very popular for carry trades. In other words, investors would borrow money from cheap borrowing countries, then convert it and invest it in more expensive borrowing countries where they would make more money, like in the US. Recently, the Bank of Japan was like, our money value is dropping too fast, so they raised rates. But because the US central bank didn't raise rates this summer, the Japanese yen got a lot stronger versus the US dollar. This put carry trade investors in trouble. Not only did the BOJ start charging interest on those loans, now the yen increased in value and investors were getting hit with margin calls, which is when the bank's calling them like, hey, pay up. Prove to us that you can actually pay these loans back to us. This led to investors to sell US stock, leading to a downward movement in the market to buy yen and fulfill their margin calls. But overall, in the long term, we will recover from this as investors. We weather the ups and downs and we make more money when we buy in these dips.